Alright guys, this is Monique from Misfit Crafter Studio, Zoom Kids, and today we're going to be making a catapult. Now in your kit, you should have received 8 popsicle sticks, a bottle cap, 4 rubber bands, the colors might be different, some pom-poms, again colors might be different, and some gems, also colors might be different. Now, additional supplies that you may need are going to be some markers, if you have some, or some little stamps, anything that has a little bit of ink that you can color your sticks with, and we'll definitely be needing some glue. Again, tacky glue works best. Anything thick will hold everything nicely. All right, to get started, we'll go ahead and put our pom-poms to the side for now and our gems. Hold our bottle cap there. What we're going to start off with is our popsicle sticks. So what you will need to do is get 2 popsicle sticks and just put them to the side. And then these are going to be the popsicle sticks that are going to make the main part of our catapult. Now right now, if you'd like to, you can go ahead and get your markers and you can color or decorate your top and bottom popsicle stick for this. You can see I'm just going through here and coloring it real quick. And this is just with a little marker, just to give it some color. Or you can get a little stamp pad and color it really quickly. Just remember, it might be a little messy, so if you have a baby wipe or anything, you might want that just to clean up real quick. Oops. Okay, we're going to put that back on there. Again, you might want something nearby just to give it a little cleanup. Okay? So you can go ahead and color as many or as little of these as you want. What I do is when I use a stamp pad, just give it a really quick wipe. You see a lot of it will come off. You might get a little on your fingers. Okay. Then you're going to sandwich all of your 6 popsicle sticks together. What I do also is just along the sides, once they're all sandwiched together, I go ahead and color the sides. Now you don't have to color them at all if you don't want to. You can leave them plain. But I like to give mine just a little bit of color. A little more there. All right, so once you have them all sandwiched together, you're going to take 2 of your rubber bands, we're going to put 2 to the side, and you're just going to wrap it around one end. You're going to twist your rubber band with your fingers in the rubber band, twist it and pull it over. So again, you're going to wrap this around, you're going to twist your rubber band and pull it over. And you're going to do this until you get it really tight on the end of your popsicle sticks. Nice and tight. And then just do the same on the other side. So again, pull it, twist it, wrap it around, and just keep doing that over and over. Okay? As long as it's nice and tight, it's pretty snug, it doesn't move that easily, you've gotten enough over it enough times that way. Then I just push it down so you have about that big of a side on each side. Okay? So now we're going to take our other 2 popsicle sticks and we can go ahead and color those sides. So again, you can get a marker and color it. What I like to do is color it in. Or you can use the ink pad. I'm just brushing it along there. Like I said, you can use an ink pad. You can even throw it in a little bowl with a little bit of food coloring and dip these in really fast and dry them off, and that'll dye them too. Okay, so now we have the two. What we're going to do is we're going to take one, we're going to leave it down on the table like this, and the other one we're going to get the stack and we're going to put it right on top of this, forming a little bit of a T shape. Then we're going to go ahead and put the other one right on top, and we're going to get our rubber band here, and we're just going to pick this up while it's in its T shape. And don't worry if it wiggles around, we can move it later. But now you're going to get this rubber band and you're going to put it over these two sides. See that? So we're just going to put it here and over this. So we're going to go over like that. We're going to pull it again. We're going to twist it, and we're going to pull it over one more time. Then you're going to twist it, but this time we're going to pull it over this one and this one. This is probably going to be the hardest part because you got to pull a lot. So you can pull it over the big one first if you like. You got to pull it all the way over and over this one. Okay? And then you're going to get it again, twist it, and pull it over this side and this side. So there, over that big one. Okay? So you'll see that it created a little bit of a Z. You're going to do it one more time and pull it over this one and this one. So this one and this one. Oops. I got it stuck. That one and that one. And you'll see it creates a little bit of an X. And on the other side, you'll have the same X. Okay? Now, if you need to, you can replay this video so you can watch that part again. But basically, you're putting one over this way, then this way, and over each one. So it creates a little bit of an X. Okay? You can see you can already like kind of play with that part. So after you get that X put on there, you're just going to get this and move it down just a little so that you have this enough that you can do this to it. You see how it opens up? We're going to make them even. Then you're going to get this rubber band, and on this shorter side, you're just going to wrap it around a whole bunch of times until it gets tight, just like we did on these. So remember, we're going to twist it and pull it over and twist it and pull it over. You're just going to keep doing that as tight as you can get it. Okay. We're just going to pull this down a little bit. So there's about an inch space in between it. See that? It's about an inch. A little under maybe. Okay. So now you can see you've already got the beginnings of a catapult. Okay. And you can do either side. So pick your favorite side that you want your catapult to be on. I think I'm going to do this side. Okay. So once you've picked your favorite part of your catapult, you're going to go ahead and glue this right onto here. So you're going to add a little dab of glue right on the end, just like that. Don't forget to close your glue back up. And then you're going to get your bottle cap and just squish it on. Use your finger on the bottom and the top to make sure it gets on there nice and squishy. So you'll see it's just on the edge of the popsicle stick right here. And we're going to go ahead and let that dry. While that's drying, we can go ahead and decorate our catapult a little more if you like. So I'm going to add a little gem here. Remember, we got our little gems. So I'm going to add a little glue there and a little glue there so we can add our gems. Just going to squish that down. And I'm going to squish that down. Kind of reminds me of an airplane with lights, right? And then also while that's drying, if you want, you can go ahead and get your marker and put your name on it. You can draw little pictures on it. Now remember, depending on the glue that you're using, that's how long it will take for this little part to dry. So it might take a few minutes, but like I said, meanwhile, you can go ahead and draw right on your catapult. Okay. So there's that side. So it's all nice and drawn on. All right, so here I have another catapult that's already dry. So just remember, you want to let this dry for a little while, because if you don't, this is going to fly right off. But once it's all nice and dry, you can put your pom-pom, something small in there, and you can let it launch. So see, it goes pretty far. That's me just touching it just a little bit. So if you do it just a little bit, it launches right really little. But if you really push this down, remember, hold this side and this side, it'll fly all the way across your room like it just did in my room now. So I hope you guys like that project. If you like to, make sure you join the Facebook group, Misfit Crafter Studio Zoom Kids, and watch our videos from misfitcrafter.com on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram at Misfit Crafter Studio. If you like, once you're done with your project, go ahead and post your pictures up on the Misfit Crafter Studio Facebook page or the Zoom Kids that you joined when you started our class, and we'll go ahead and share it with everybody else. You can also just message them to us if you like, and we can add it there for you. Hope you liked it. See you in next class.